guys, how are you all doing? Sorry about my voice. I've had this flu for like 3 weeks now. Like it's been on and off, on and off. But you know, I need to get on with my life. I can't I can't start this year with negative vibes. Okay. Now, today is this video is about product review. This is my new found favorite facial cleanser. Okay, as you can see, I have my robe on. I was about to have my shower and I said to myself, I need to tell you guys about this new cleanser that I found. This is one of the popular cleansers by the Inkey brand. You know how I love the Inkey. I don't like all their skincare products, but sorry, I love some of it. Okay, and this has become one of my favorite cleansers that I use. I have other cleansers, but I kind of started using this one for like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, on and off. But for the past 5 days, I've used it morning and night, just to see what it feels like on my skin. And so, you know how my reviews are. My reviews are usually very honest. I tell you what I think, and if the product does what it says on the tin. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, it's really good to have you here. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and this channel is about skincare. Everything skincare. I do a lot of product reviews, skincare product reviews, and I also do teach you how to achieve radiant, glowing skin. So we talk about skincare a lot here. If you're someone that, especially with this new year, and you want to see a lot of changes on your skin, you have dull looking skin, you want to change it, or you want to continue with whatever it is that you're using and you're happy with your skin. So I more like educate you on what you can do to get that skin glowing and popping. Okay, so if you like what you're watching and you want to become part of this channel, hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Okay, subscribing also keeps you up to date on what is happening on my channel when you hit subscribe and then hit the notification bell to keep you up to date on when I upload new videos. Okay, and for my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for your support. So this is the Inkey oatmeal cleansing balm, cleansing balm. Yeah. Now, this cleanser is designed to melt away makeup and melt away impurities and dirt on your skin. It has let's see here. Now, there's not that much ingredient because I've thrown the pack away. So it's meant to be very good for dry skin. It's meant to be very good for people with sensitive skin, and it's meant to be good for someone with rosacea or eczema, even for oily skin. Okay, and the reason is because it contains 3% oat kernel oil, which oat kernel oil is an ingredient that generally hydrates your skin and moisturizes your skin, and also gives your skin a good cleansing when you use it. When you have it in any facial cleanser. Okay, and it also has 1% colloidal oatmeal. So colloidal oatmeal is very good because it helps with people that has like rosacea and eczema. You know, it helps reduce the appearance of redness on your skin, and it also soothes irritation. So it soothes skin irritation. Okay, now this cleanser, I'm gonna do like a short demo because I'm not feeling too wet today. So I'm gonna do like a short demo to show you how I use it for maximum benefit. Because whenever I buy any of my cleansers or any of my skincare products, I always like to use it the right way so that it will give me exactly what I want. It will do exactly what I want it to do on my skin. Okay, so this cleanser can be used morning and night. It's non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clog your pores, and because of that, any skin type can use it. Okay, any skin type can use it, and also it's fragrance free. Isn't that wonderful? It's fragrance free. It doesn't have any fragrance in it, and it also contains one of my favorite ingredients, which is sweet almond oil. And sweet almond oil is very good when it comes to soothing your skin, hydrating and moisturizing your skin. Okay, now what I noticed was yesterday I woke up with this spot here on my face. Okay, I didn't have this spot before I started using this cleanser. I don't know if it's because of this cleanser that I have the spot, but I will keep using it, and if I break out more, surely I'm gonna come up here and tell you, run away. Well, but I hope not. I noticed that oh my goodness, maybe I shouldn't have done this, come up to do this video, but anyway, I have to. Yeah, so let me use it now, show you how I use it, and then afterwards I will tell you if it's something that you should go buy or you should just kick it out. Kicking it out means no, don't waste your money, just give it a kick. Bye. Okay, now let's do the demo. First thing I do is I don't wet my face first. The reason is because you can use it anyhow, any way you like, but for me, I do not wet my face. Okay, so I don't like give it a little shake because sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to come out from the tube. Okay, so this is what the cleanser looks like. Can you see? It looks like cream. So I use it on a dry face first. And let me tell you guys, do you know that you can leave this cleanser on for about 10 minutes on your skin as a mask treatment? Yeah, you can, as a moisturizing mask treatment. So before I even wet my face, this is how the cleanser feels on a dry face. Okay, don't be scared about how oily my skin looks like right now. It doesn't clog pores. It's non-comedogenic. The ingredient in it doesn't clog pores, so oily skin can use it, because oily skin as well needs hydration. Yes, every skin type needs hydration. So I massage it a little bit on my face, on dry face, and then the next thing I do is I will now wet my face. So check, this is the difference. Make sure if you're wetting your face, make sure you're wetting your face with, with warm water. Now, wet the face. No, see? By the way, it doesn't foam. Okay? It doesn't foam because it's a balm. You can see from the name that it doesn't foam. So this is it. Give your face a good cleansing. Some of the issues that you get a breakout is as a result of not cleansing your skin very well. Massage it through. Now, time to wash up. Remember that this is a balm. So when you're washing off, make sure you use your one wet cloth. Okay? And the reason is because you really need to make sure that you cleanse the cleanser out of your skin all through. Clean it very well. You don't want to leave any residue hanging on your skin. So that's why you need to make sure that you really cleanse it very well with wet cloth. Anytime you use cleanser on your face, don't just after using cleanser you stand in the shower and allow the water to just wash. No, it doesn't cleanse very well. Anytime you use cleanser, always use your warm wet cloth to wipe off the cleanser, because when you do that, your skin is much better cleansed. Okay? Don't be afraid to use it under your eyes like you saw me do. It's not going to irritate your eyes. It's not going to cause any burn. Some cleansers it may not be good to use under your eyes, but this one is fragrance free and this one has a lot of hydrating ingredients, so it would be good to even use it under your eyes. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like after washing the cleanser off. Okay, let me come closer. I have this dark spot here. I usually, it's hormonal acne, so it's not possible to prevent it, but I try to prevent it from getting pigmented by following it up immediately with niacinamide. So I don't usually get dark spot, because once I see any pimple come out of my face, I chase it up with skincare products that I know that helps with diminishing the appearance of dark spots, the likes of niacinamide serum, vitamin C serum. I try and do chemical exfoliants immediately. Like I use mandelic acid from The Ordinary, azelaic acid from The Ordinary as well. I think I did a video on that on the review. So, and then salicylic acid cleanser I use as well to help diminish it, stop it from going dark, because black skin of color, we do get pigmented very easily. Okay, and also loads and loads of SPF. Yeah, I do. My honest review on this cleanser, and this is not a paid review, this is my very honest review, and this is what this channel is about. I do give honest reviews. My honest review is I love this cleanser, and the reason is because of the ingredients that it has: the sweet almond oil, the colloidal oatmeal that helps with diminishing helping redness. So it is good for people with that has skin issues like rosacea or eczema. This cleanser is very good for you. Sensitive skin is a skin that you always have to be careful what you use, because you get irritated very easily. But this cleanser is not going to do anything like that for your skin. It's not going to irritate your skin. It's not going to break you out. It's not going to do anything bad on your skin, because it has oat kernel oil. Oat kernel oil is also good in helping with soothing, hydrating, and moisturizing your skin. And then sweet almond oil as well is very good. It's a good cleanser. It's something that I would recommend you to use, and you can use it morning and night, and also use it the way I use it in this video. But if you
If you have any other way that you want to use it, that's okay by me. But the way I use it in this video is good. So it does two things. You can use it as a mask, and then you can use it as a cleanser. Okay. But yeah, I do recommend it. I do recommend it, and for all skin types. Okay. I hope they find this video very helpful. For those of you that want to know if you should go buying it, yes, you can buy it. Okay. Now, thank you so much, my favorite people, and remember, treat your skin right, and your skin will treat you right. I woke up this morning with red eye. I have no idea. I think I must have got an allergy or something. Anyway, my body's not right now. It's like left, right, all over the place. Things are happening on my body, but I don't care. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, okay? I love you. Bye.